It's spaghetti.
No, it's nothing nasty. It's a hot shot. It's not. It's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti. Oh, yummy spaghetti.
Huwag mo yan eh.
Yummy spaghetti. There. Asa? Ros! Oy!
Huwag mo na. Hindi mo binta.
Oh, right there, cheese. I see the guy's cheese.
Oy! Spaghetti.
Yummy, banana.
Uy! Hello, guys! Come on. Hello!
It's a butter.
Huh?
Oo, pagkikit na yata.
8 months na ng aking baby. 8 months na may sipon. May sipon. Yes, okay. Okay.
How's my baby?
Daddy, no,
Is that big one?
Wala. No more.
Oy.
Hindi ko na ba yung konti?
Lagay mo yung konti.
Hi, Mikael.
Mas ka dyan.
8 months, Mikael.
Sige na.
La 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 la. Happy 8 months, Mikael. Happy 8 months. Happy 8 months. Happy 8 months, Mikael. Ay.
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 Oy. Chiki.
Pa,
Ano?
kumain ka ng kumain, Miguel. Para paglaki mo eh, sasagot-sagot mo
Meki,
kami.
bigyan mo ng cracker, Meki.
Sabihin mo,
There.
no.
Ito, come here.
Ate mo, wala na. Nakarecord ka pa.
Oo. Naka-record ako, Dad.
Hindi siguro.
Ayan oh. Look. Hey. Is it good? Oo. One, two, three. One, two, three. Oh. Ah, chika. Oh, yummy? Huh? Yummy?
Nakakahang sauce. Kawawa naman oh.
Bakit may sauce naman siya? Nagdaming sauce, oh. It's yummy.
Kasi inaano niya palang Miko, ina-absorb pa yung sauce. Pag nagtagal yan, mawawala na yung sauce.
It's supposed to get thicker.
Hindi nga, sisip-sipin niya. Ano lang kasi kaluluto eh.
But it's good, ah.
Mama, taste.
What taste? Tastes good.
It tastes.
It's no touching.
What's this? It's yummy. What's this?
Diba?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Grabe, hindi pala tayo kumain ng ano.
Alan.
He's putting his finger in it.
Ah,